Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your iPhone is not charged up to 80% after latest iOS update, then do the following steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings, connect to Wi-Fi, then tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. After that, we have to tap on background app refresh and tap again background app refresh and turn off background app refresh. Now go back to settings. Here we have to tap on battery and tap on battery health. If your iPhone battery health shows service, mean you need to replace your iPhone battery and turn off optimize battery charging. Now go back to settings and force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. In the end, what we have to do, go back to settings, general, transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.